So yeah, yeah, it's been a life-changing experience. Like it really has. Just like I'm gonna remember this for the rest of my life. It's like you're honestly all just amazing people. I'm just like so impressed with all of you. Like just coming on this course and placing implants. Like I know it's tough, but you all were just amazing. And the three guys, you're all just like such amazing people, and the chemistry you have together is just you said you're happy to be around me. When I'm around you, I'm just delighted to be with all of you. So yeah, no, it's been an amazing experience, and thanks to Michelle, amazing stuff. Like you're the cement that holds everything together, you know. And you're always in the background. You always know what's going on. So yeah, you did an amazing job. And Team Arise, yeah, amazing stuff. Like I've loved Egypt. I've never been to Egypt, and I can't speak highly enough of Egyptian people in general. I just think they're amazing people, to be honest. Yeah, I'll definitely be back. Like it's a very special country. Yeah, like and Azhar was asking, had this added to my implant knowledge? Like, I think it's literally changed. Like Osi said, it's life changing. You know, it's the way I'm gonna look at patients and treat patients is different now. And I think like even yesterday when I saw like Sam restoring that patient, like the joy it gave him to see that patient be restored, like that was just like inspiring to see that. Yeah, it was really beautiful. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and bring that to my work now. Yeah. So yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.